Hello, today we will see how to use FMI and FMU with RTMaps. The functional mockup interface is a free, open and leading standard to exchange dynamic simulation models. RTMaps supports the latest version of FMI and allows to operate low-latency CoSimulation with any simulators supporting FMI and FMU. Feel free to go on the FMI homepage to know more about the history, documentation and the use cases of this standard. First, let's install the latest FMI package using Check for Updates. The package could be located in the normal or testing update site, depending on the maturity of the current version. Let's download and install this FMI package. Now load the FMI package using drag and drop. Let's put the FMU component onto the diagram. In the properties, we must select a FMU path. In our tutorial, we will use an official sample, but you could use your own. Let's go to the FMI standard homepage. Then, follow the validation section in the menu. In the Reference-FMU section, follow the Github link and clone the repository. Use CMake to build the samples. Select FMI version 3 for this example, as we use the latest version of the standard. And select CoSimulation as well. Generate and open the project. Build the bouncing balls project. We will use that one in this video. Back to RTMaps. We can now select the FMU zip package we have just built. Let's add an oscilloscope to visualize the results. Now we can run our application. Perfect. Everything works fine.